There's something magical about Christmas decorating. The twinkling lights, the sparkle of ornaments, and that warm, joyful feeling that fills every corner of your home. But here's the best part. You don't need to spend a fortune to make it happen. With a little creativity and a few finds from Dollar Tree, you can transform simple items into beautiful festive decor that looks anything but budget. From elegant wreaths to DIY centerpieces, ornaments, and cozy accents, we're turning affordable pieces into holiday showstoppers. So grab your hot cocoa, plug in those fairy lights, and let's dive into a world where style meets savings, and Christmas magic begins at just $1. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where we bring your holiday dreams to life without breaking the bank. In today's video, we're diving into Dollar Tree Christmas Decor Ideas. Creative, affordable, and totally stunning decorations that prove you don't need big budgets for beautiful results. What makes Dollar Tree decor perfect for Christmas decorating? Dollar Tree offers endless creative potential, from ornaments and ribbons to craft supplies and mini trees. The fun lies in transforming these everyday items into custom pieces that match your theme and personality. With a little imagination, $1 can go a long way in creating Christmas magic. How can I create elegant Christmas decor on a Dollar Tree budget? Stick to cohesive colors: gold, white, silver, or red, and look for simple items like glass vases, metallic trays, or candle holders. Add faux snow, ribbon, and twinkle lights to elevate them instantly. Elegance doesn't have to be expensive. It's all about presentation. If you love finding beauty on a budget, don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow Christmas DIY lovers. What are the easiest DIY Dollar Tree Christmas crafts? Try snow globe jars, ornament garlands, or holiday signs made from picture frames. Hot glue, paint, and ribbon are your best friends. These projects are quick, festive, and look incredible displayed on shelves or mantels. How can I make a cozy Dollar Tree Christmas centerpiece? Grab a tray, fill it with pine cones, mini ornaments, faux greenery, and candles. For an elegant twist, spray paint pine cones in gold or white. It's simple, stylish, and perfect for your dining or coffee table. What's your favorite DIY centerpiece style? Rustic and natural, or elegant and sparkly? Tell us in the comments below. How do I create a beautiful Christmas wreath using Dollar Tree supplies? Use a wire wreath form, Dollar Tree garland, ornaments, and ribbon. Wrap the garland around the base, glue ornaments throughout, and finish with a statement bow. It's easy, fast, and looks like something straight from a boutique. What are some cute Dollar Tree ornament ideas? Turn clear ornaments into mini snow scenes with faux snow and mini trees. You can also fill them with glitter, feathers, or metallic confetti for a trendy custom look. For more DIY ornament tutorials and Christmas craft ideas, check out our Christmas DIY playlist linked in the description. How can I decorate my front porch using Dollar Tree finds? Use plastic buckets as faux planters for mini trees, string lights around your doorway, and hang a DIY wreath. You can also wrap boxes in festive paper to create the illusion of stacked gifts, affordable, festive, and welcoming. How can I make my living room feel more festive using Dollar Tree Decor? Add small touches everywhere: a garland over the TV stand, snowflake ornaments hanging from curtain rods, or cozy throw pillows wrapped in Christmas fabric. It's all about layering charm into your space. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly budget-friendly DIYs and seasonal home decor inspiration. How can I make a Christmas sign or wall art using Dollar Tree items? Use wooden boards or picture frames as your base. Paint them with festive quotes like Joy, Noel, or Merry and Bright. Add Dollar Tree stickers, ribbon, or glitter for finishing touches. Instant wall decor that looks handcrafted and unique. What's a great Dollar Tree DIY for kitchen or dining decor? Use glass jars to make hot cocoa stations or mini candy displays. Add labels and wrap them in ribbon. You can also create Christmas utensil holders or napkin rings using mini ornaments and twine for a cozy farmhouse vibe. Check out our related videos in the description for holiday kitchen and dining decor ideas that pair perfectly with these crafts. How can I make Dollar Tree Christmas trees look more high-end? Fluff them up by layering multiple garlands, adding mini ornaments, and topping them with a bold bow. Placing them in baskets or metal buckets gives them an upscale touch without extra cost. What's an easy DIY lighting idea using Dollar Tree items? Turn glass bottles or mason jars into glowing lanterns using LED candles or fairy lights. Wrap them in ribbon or frost the glass for a magical winter glow. How can I create Dollar Tree Christmas gifts or favors? Assemble mini gift baskets with mugs, chocolates, and socks, all from Dollar Tree. Wrap them in cellophane with a ribbon for a thoughtful, inexpensive gift that looks amazing. What are some ways to make Dollar Tree decor look more expensive? Stick to one color palette, use metallic spray paint, and combine textures like glass, wood, and ribbon. Grouping smaller items together can also make a big visual impact. Would you like us to do a luxury look from Dollar Tree challenge next? Drop a yes in the comments. How can I decorate my mantle or shelves with Dollar Tree finds? Layer garland with candles, mini figurines, and ornaments. Add small light strands for glow and a few faux snow accents. It's cozy, festive, and totally achievable on a small budget. Christmas decor doesn't have to come with a high price tag. It just needs creativity and heart. With Dollar Tree crafts, you can make every space feel warm, stylish, and full of holiday cheer. Whether it's wreaths, ornaments, centerpieces, or cozy home accents, the magic is in how you put it all together. So get crafting, get creative, and let your home shine bright this Christmas without breaking the bank. If these Dollar Tree Christmas decor ideas inspired you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your DIY-loving friends. What's your favorite Dollar Tree Christmas craft? Wreaths, ornaments, or centerpieces? Let us know below. Explore our Christmas DIY and budget decor playlist linked in the description. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly holiday, home, and seasonal decor ideas. Check the description for Christmas mantle, table, and tree decor videos.